The sweet delight of mangoes, exploring their health benefits. Mangoes are known as the king of fruits, and are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. This tropical fruit has been enjoyed for centuries and is popular for its sweet and juicy flavor. In this video, we will delve into the various health benefits of mangoes and why they should be a part of your regular diet. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. They are particularly high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. Mangoes also contain vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for overall health. Supports digestive health. Mangoes are loaded with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it beneficial for weight management. Antioxidant powerhouse. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, ficedin, and gallic acid, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in mangoes strengthens the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of mangoes can help keep you healthy and prevent common colds and flu. Supports eye health. Mangoes contain beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration and night blindness. Aids in weight management. Despite their sweetness, mangoes can be beneficial for weight management when consumed in moderation. The high fiber content helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to overeat. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Mangoes are a great source of vitamin E, which is known for its skin-nourishing properties. Vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin, promotes collagen production, and protects against UV damage. The vitamin A content in mangoes also contributes to healthy hair and scalp. Improves bone health. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and helps improve calcium absorption. Including mangoes in your diet can support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Regulates blood pressure. Mangoes are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Potassium works in conjunction with other nutrients in mangoes to maintain a healthy heart. Provides natural energy. Mangoes are a great natural source of energy, thanks to their carbohydrate content and various vitamins and minerals. Including mangoes in your diet can help you stay energized and active throughout the day. Overall, mangoes are not only a delightful and refreshing tropical fruit but also a nutrient powerhouse with numerous health benefits. From boosting the immune system and supporting digestive health to promoting healthy skin and hair, mangoes offer a wide array of advantages. Including mangoes in your diet can be a tasty and nutritious way to enhance your overall well-being. As with any food, moderation is essential, and it's best to enjoy mangoes as part of a balanced and varied diet. If you have any specific health concerns or medical conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional.